Oh my gosh.
Hey. Seriously, I think it's more comfortable than the one in our car.
I'm staying here tonight.
Do you have a smaller one? Just swap out the one in our car directly.
Look, there's even that benefit, see?
This is seriously comfortable.
This can even be used for exercise. Let's see how the quality is. Test it with 200 pounds. Whoa, that's awesome.
Hey, can you stand up if you step on the mattress now?
First time camping, and it starts raining as soon as we set up the tent. It's been raining nonstop these past 2 days. Now we've found another issue. The new tent isn't good. Sleeping in it is so uncomfortable, so we got a whole set to try. Unboxing again today. This is the matching air mattress. All from Awake. Our previous table was a bit shabby. This time I got a better one. Check out this table. Wow, this roll-up table. And here's a chair. Comes with a chair, table, and air mattress. Now I won't be uncomfortable sleeping in the tent. Open the tent and take a look, see how it is now. Oh, it's too hard, comfortable, but it's killing my back. Let's do this. I've already set up the air mattress. This is so high-end, this air mattress. Look at it like this. I just open it like this.
Press this for on off. This is for inflation. This is for deflation.
Oh my gosh.
Automatic with one button.
Wow, this is really good. I can even take it swimming, no problem. This is great. Wow, this brand is awesome. Feels like a Simmons mattress. Sleeping in this, wow.
Oh my gosh, I feel like it's more comfortable than my car mattress.
Haha, lying outdoors is so awesome.
I don't want to go back.
It's raining tonight. Perfect for listening to the rain here.
Honestly, this mattress is really comfortable. I'll see it's off.
It's big enough, really big.
Can fit 2 people, no problem.
That's perfect. Better bring extra tissues.
Good.
Guys, the tent is set up. I can't wait now. Hey, you think my 200 pound will burst it?
No way. Wow, comfy, right?
200 pounds. Oh my gosh.
Seriously, I think it's more comfy than the one in our car.
I'm sleeping here tonight.
Hey, got a smaller one? Just swap out the one in our car.
On the bed?
Feels good, but the size might not fit.
Whoa, this is awesome. So comfy. On the trampoline bed. Wow, what the whoa. Look. See the perks? This is seriously comfy. You can even work out on it. Let's check the quality. Test it with 200 pounds. Whoa. Nice.
Hey, can you stand up on the mattress now? Can you stand up on the mattress now?
I could stand before.
Now, with the mattress added?
Probably not, right?
How tall are you?
6'1". 6'1".
Wow, that's a good height.
Still standing pretty straight. The key is, it even has pillows.
Oh, wait, pillows. You have those up.
Haven't set up the pillows. I'm 6'1". Look at this huge bed to sleep on. Living the life. Bring on the heavy rain. Can't wait. Can we unzip this side too?
Yes, that's the door over there. It's just if there's no rain, it's all open and breezy.
Oh, you can exit from this side. Yeah, it's just like our door here. Yeah.
3 sides is enough.
Look how great this spot is. This place is amazing. Let's check the table and chairs. All right, setting up the table. Let's see. Wow, this little bag is pretty neat.
Table leg here.
The leg should go on first, right? First time setting this up. Haven't used much outdoor gear before. Always played in the 3-wheeler before. This is the tabletop.
It's aluminum alloy.
Aluminum alloy. I thought it was wood. Wood wouldn't be sturdy. Hey. Look, first time using it's pretty simple, right? Look, the desktop is simple, isn't it? Look at the desktop. Hey, it even has these hooks. This table is nice, this roll-up table. I thought it was wood at first. But looking closer, it's aluminum alloy, listen. Aluminum alloy. Oh, it snaps in like this, did you see? It has this foam. Open this foam. Oh, press it here, look, just press here. All set, guys, really nice, look. Wow, Wow, this chair. So beautiful. Today we found a place with a decathlon. And it's a big mall. There's lots of good food here too. Let's eat something good today. After eating, we'll go check out Decathlon. Food everywhere. Don't even know what to eat. Let's walk around first. So many choices. There's way too much food here. The food places are all lined up. Don't even know what to get. I bet this Decathlon won't be small either. Let's go down and see. I haven't seen this Decathlon yet. It's Decathlon. Let's look at tents first. Hey, their tents are really spacious. Look at this tent. It's huge, this one. Can't afford this tent. It's over 500. The stool is over 400. Altogether, this tent plus this chair is over $1,000. Forget it. Too expensive. Any cheaper ones? What's this? A bike over 1,000? Not bad though. Hey, Decathlon bikes aren't that expensive. Think about it. Look. A bike helmet alone is over 200. Over 300? These gloves are almost 100. Wow. These gloves are 100. Made of gold?
Made of gold. Touching it probably costs $5.
$5. For this, a helmet is 200 or 300. Skateboards, wow, lots of cool stuff here. First time seeing such high-end things. Our old outdoor gear is totally outdated. Haha, right?
Only rich people shop here.
Wow. This place has everything. Clothes over here. Clothes, tents. Look, workout equipment. Yeah, sports gear. This single zip tie is $79. What is this? Guys, look at me now. Do I look like I've never seen anything fancy? Oomph. A moisture-proof pad. $200 for a moisture-proof pad? Another 200? This tent. Man, this tent is so comfy. Outdoor camping is great. This one's huge. Check out this table. Look at it.
Hey Sam, isn't this the table?
What? Over 300?
Damn, not cheap.
This table really isn't cheap. Sam's loaded. He can afford it. Not us. If it were around 100, we could maybe get one. Let's see if there's one for 100. Let's go Tianlu. We can't afford any of this. Way too expensive, man. Just window shopping. Hey, this tent has character. Phew, done shopping. Bought over 10 pounds of meat. Over 10 pounds of meat. Rest up for a couple days back home. How much did we spend? 202, not bad. Do they go straight ahead or which way? Their pig trotters are only 12.90. Right turn. Right turn at the road ahead. Finally back. Driving wore me out. Let's see if the rain made the Lee River rise. Rose a bit, but not much. A while back when I left, that automatic fishing gadget fell here. No idea where it went now. Hey, maybe a Mo took it upstairs? Oh man, guys, look here. Can I make a fish pond here? Divert water from the Lee River. Check it out. Not very big. Water chestnuts. Mo loves these things. There's 50 pounds of water chestnuts. Can we finish all this? A full 50 pounds. This stuff is tasty, but a pain to peel. How about we eat this chicken tonight? Yuck. Didn't catch anything. Weather's perfect for fishing today. Let's get all our fishing gear out today. Grab my big sea rod. We're going for monsters. The Lee River's up. See if we can land some big ones. This is a basin for the cluster hooks. Let me find a cluster hook first. All right, the cluster hook's all set. It goes like this. This is the setup. Then stick this lump of bait on it. I got a sinker here. Acts like a drift stopper.
Look, look! The line's pinned. Good! Here we go.
Check out our spot. This is the Lee River, right below our own Gillen campsite. Fishing right at our doorstep. Our camp's right up there. It's been great hanging out here these past couple days. Come here, come here. No fish yet, but you just snagged one and took off. You got a fish and left.
Whoa, look!
You got a huge one.
Oh, man.
Xiao Wang, come back. Xiao Wang, over here. You took a fish and won't even come back when I call. All right, time to bait up. Can't even cast this massive sea rod fully.
I just had a big one on.
There's a big fish.
Didn't set the hook, huh?
Just leaving it there gets fish? Yeah, that's convenient for you.
I just toss it in and forget it.
It's just a hassle to set up.
Right, but once I get it ready.
There, check it out.
All set, that's it.
That's exactly it, yeah. All right, getting ready to cast.
Straight ahead is fine. Just straight out.
Just right out to the end there.
No. Bring it back a bit. The eddy spot.
Here we go. It's off. Done. All set, haha. Simple as that, folks. See that? A fish will hit this any minute. It'll just pop right up.
Bounced right up.
What's going on? Did the fish get released? I don't know.
Check how much it's pulling. If it's pulling hard, we got a fish. It might not be a fish, you know.
Something's wrong with the mechanism. Something's wrong.
I messed it up. I'll reel the line back up.
Check out my giant sea fishing rod. 3.6 meter long distance, casting rod, 8000 series Langwang reel. Size 7 fishing line. I can literally drag a 20 kilo fish straight up with this thing. I'll put a bell on the front here. Whatever, we'll reel it in when the bell rings. We got a competition going on today, you and me. Let's see who's better, your hand rod or my big sea rod. I'll wait and watch a minute. I want to see you catch a fish first. If this doesn't work out, I'll go grab my lure rod. Hee-ha. Once you cast the sea rod, you don't have to mess with it. Let's go back get our lures. Isn't this spot just perfect? Let's cast a couple times here and see how it goes, yeah? I'll cast one here. Go cast over there. There's barely any fish here. You guys think we'll go home empty-handed today? There should be fish after that heavy rain in the Lee River. Has the bell rung yet? These new small spinners are here. I'm going to try casting them for a bit. Check this out. How do you like it? My setup's pretty good, right? There we go. Wow, this little spinner actually goes pretty far. Watch the rod. Don't let steal my bait. I knew it felt like it was going to rain as soon as I started lure fishing. Water splashes when you reel in, right? Melon lead with a spinner. There we go. Why isn't it going very far? How far do you expect a 5-gram weight to go? That one landed way too close. Let me figure out how to cast farther. Whoa, that went straight up. I'd say it's only like 10 some meters out. I wonder if this spinner's going to get snagged on the bottom. Everyone sets nets down there, you know? If you reel too slow, you're going to get caught on the net. There shouldn't be any nets this direction, right? I'll reel slower this time and see. Reeling this slow and still no bites at all. It's back already. That was fast. It can cast over 10 meters. Wow. Hey. What was that noise just now? I thought I hooked a fish. No idea, but this just messed up my line completely. Ugh, what a mess. The whole line's tangled all together. I don't know what happened. I heard something off just now. It was all rough and rumbling. Let me reel it in and check. Nothing wrong here. Looks fine to me. What was that noise just now anyway? Ugh, I can't cast it out anymore, huh? I broke another one, huh? No bites on the surf rod. Nothing on the lure rod either. Any bites on the hand rod? Anyone got a bite? There are plenty of fish here. Come on, just one bite. It got caught here again. This rod's design is terrible. The line keeps getting caught here all the time. This thing, it's a spot meant for hanging hooks. It always tangles up here when I reel in. Was I reeling too fast? I'll go slower this time. I can even feel my little spoon lift off the bottom. After it lifts off the bottom, that thing, it's mealtime again. I'm on cooking duty today. We got pig trotters, pork leg, and marrow bones here. Marrow bones make the best broth, honestly. We're not doing any fancy complicated stuff lately, just a clean, simple broth. We'll blanch them first, wash them clean, and that's it, no extra stuff. Just add a bit of salt. Wait, what else? Oh right, a little salt, ginger, and garlic. Then just let it simmer straight like that. I'm gonna streamline my seasoning box too. Ugh, it's such a hassle really. I bring all this seasoning out and almost never use it. And look, it always spills out, what a pain. It spilled again. A bunch of oil spilled down here too. How did a ham sausage even get in here? Everything's washed super clean. I got some vermicelli today. We had that spicy hot pot the other day. Yeah, the spicy hot pot we had a couple days ago. I realized this vermicelli is so good. There are two kinds. I soaked these thin ones. These thin ones are potato starch. This other one should be sweet potato. Let him soak and we'll see which one tastes better. Let's check how my meat's doing. Wow. Gorgeous. The broth's already creamy white. Right now, only has mushrooms. Just the meat and mushrooms, plus 2 slices of ginger. I've decided I'll put in a little extra work and chop up some water chestnuts. So many water chestnuts, 50 pounds of them. Slice some water chestnuts and boil them in. The soup gets super sweet and nutritious. Tasty but so hard to peel. This is such a pain. Takes forever to do just one. They're just too small. If these things grew a bit bigger and peeled like a potato, that would be perfect. Huh, $2 a pound? Still, he shouldn't have bought 50 pounds back. That's way too much to eat. How does he eat them? He eats them like fruit. He just peels and eats them like this. Geez, how long is this bag gonna last?
How long, really?
He'll finish it in one go. You know, you wash a whole basin like this, he'll finish it tonight.
Yeah, the ones in that basket, right?
You wash him a whole basket like this every day. Washing's easy. It's the peeling that's the real chore. He bites them with his mouth. He doesn't peel them. Done with dinner now. Let me show you how pitch black it is outside. I've installed solar-powered ones on the car. Automatic motion sensor lights. Watch as we walk over. I've walked over now, one lit up. There's another one over here. Two are lit. Check out the brightness. Look. It's really bright. This is so good. Lights up when you come. Turns off when you leave. Cool. I should have bought more of these. Look, it's already off. I wonder now if I just keep standing here. Will it stay on? I should install one on the side too, one in the front. Install 4. That would be perfect, all 4 directions. Wow, the temperature dropped. So cold today, dropped 20 degrees. Came out to use the bathroom, almost froze to death. Froze me good. Wow, it's warm in the car. The tricycle, Xiao Wang's car, is really cozy. I gotta lie down quick. What heavy rain. Lights on. Wow, my car's soundproofing isn't bad, huh? It's pouring outside. But it's pretty quiet inside. It's a bit noisy here. If I close this, the back probably won't be noisy. That's much quieter. Open the door and take a look. You went for a walk in the rain?
Cool, cool.
Walking in the rain. How could it not be cool?
Hello.
Just washing the car for fun, nothing better to do. I've already applied foam all over the car. Now starting the rinse mode. Why do I have two shower heads on my car? One in the front, one in the back. I installed them specifically for washing the car, so they can replace a car wash machine. But now there's a problem. All around the car, from top to bottom, I can only wash this side, that side, and the front. Can't reach this side. This one's too short. See, when it comes over here, the water doesn't reach. Basically, I'm short one shower head. This car should have three. It'll be clean in no time. After foaming, it's really easy to wash. These leaves, the back one is for the controller. This box is waterproof. The spare tire is washed so clean. It's going to rain heavily in a couple of days. I'll wash it first, then let the rain rinse it in a couple of days. The glass is clean too. The solar light is rinsed clean. The pressure on the back shower head isn't as strong as the front one. I'll show you the front one in a moment. Now, look at my front shower head. This front one can even wash the solar panels on top. And the pressure on the front of the car is also quite strong. For some reason, this front one, even though it's the same pump, has really strong pressure. It can even wash the windshield. "60 liters of water. Usually this front shower head is for like washing my feet in the summer and stuff. The back one is for showering. Too bad I can't wash that side for now. I'll have to borrow a shower head from another tri-camper to wash the right side. I'll just have to wash these three sides first. The other day, someone said my window looks square from the outside, but rectangular from inside the car. That's probably just the angle I'm viewing it from as I walk this way. See, I walk from here, and as I come over, it looks rectangular. The window is 1.1 meters long, 55 centimeters high, so it's a rectangle. So clean. Instantly becomes a new car. It rained right after I washed the car today. Let's just play on the computer inside the car. I can fall asleep to the sound of rain again tonight. So satisfying. I love the feeling of being in the car on a rainy day. What a heavy rain. Perfect timing. Let me show you. The sound insulation of my three-wheeled RV. One continuous shot, no editing. Let me get in and listen to this rain. I feel like once I'm inside, the rain won't sound so loud. Closing the door. How's this rain sound? The window is open right now. See? The insulation is too good. I don't like it. When it drizzles, you can't even hear it inside the car. It's really coming down hard today. So cold. Wow, going to the bathroom on a rainy day is freezing.
Hello, come on in.
This three-wheeled RV is great in every way, except it's missing a bathroom. On rainy days like this, going out to use the bathroom is pure misery. The sound insulation is pretty good. Look, but I feel like this insulation is too good. Can't even hear the rain anymore. What a downpour. Coming out here is so cold.
Hello, come on in.
Wow. Unbelievable, this rain. On a rainy day, just listen to the rain and drink tea in the car. Someone asked about the sound insulation in my three-wheeled RV. Listen for yourselves. Could you sleep with rain like this? The insulation must be pretty solid. Try opening the door. Wow, it's getting heavier. It's a storm now. A storm. Oh man, the temperature dropped again. So cold. Wow. Torrential rain incoming. I'm completely soaked. This weather is perfect for sleeping in the three-wheeled RV, listening to the rain. Hey, what are you doing on my car? What?
Oh, watching a movie.
Watching a movie on my car? Three-wheeled battle wagon. What? It's just a bit flat. So what if it's flat?
No, it wouldn't be flat if you didn't puncture it.
He's mad. He's looking at you changing the car. What's up? Change the car. Let you change the car.
You gotta believe it.
You gotta believe it.
Fate. I haven't driven it all year. It's all deflated.
No,
Used to drive it every day.
it was fine every day, but as soon as I mentioned changing the car, it immediately threw a tantrum. Ha ha ha. Can't change it too often. Can't change it too often. Slow leak. Slow leak. Haven't driven it for 2 days. Slow leak. No, no, no. Tubeless tires just leak slowly like this. That's how tubeless tires are. Pump some air, and it can still drive. Ha! Don't know how to let it out slowly. What air? It's fine when he's alone on it. When both of us sit on it, it gets flattened. Just now when both of us sat on it. It's all flat, soft, sinking down, really incredibly soft. Two people on. It flattens immediately, let me see.
Wait a moment. Let me see where the valve is. Okay. A little more forward, a little more.
Forward a little.
10 centimeters. Good. The fridge hasn't broken once in over 10 years. Just asked if the fridge was replaced. Over 10 years old, the old one, yeah. Just finished saying it and the power went out.
The power went out. Let's try pumping it up later. Pump some air, it's fine now. The tire is okay. Haha, it's just throwing a tantrum.
Thought it was a puncture. I drive it every day and nothing happens. As soon as I don't drive it and want to change the car, it just... What's the matter? I know.
We're going out to buy groceries. It's gotten cold with this rain, so chilly. Last night's rain was really heavy. You can tell by the leaves on my car. Wow. I bet my solar panels are covered in leaves.
Hello.
Wow, it's still warm in the car. So cold. As soon as it hits midnight, I get hungry. Went down and cooked a bowl of noodles. Wow. It's still warm in the car. How is it? A huge bowl. Look, this is the hand-pulled noodles we bought during the day. And the beef brisket stewed at night. Look at this proper beef noodle soup. Ah, so fragrant. 11:58. Let's catch up on a show. Wow, this is really delicious, guys. Tomato egg noodles with brisket are absolutely amazing. Mm. Oh man, I'm stuffed, and we ate every last bite. This whole big basin.
Look at this using oyster grease.
Haha, let's try how it tastes. Let me give a taste.
Incredible.
Couldn't fall asleep at night. So a few of us, including General Manager one, came out for a late night snack.
The garlic sauce here is really good.
It smells amazing. Grilled food, just it's different. Awesome, that's really cool. Wow, three-wheeler RVs are this advanced now? Look at the wiring, it's so professionally done. This is the solar controller. The terminals are right below it. Oh, so many spare circuit breakers. All the power supply equipment for the RV is included, and there are extra breakers. All these wires are independently routed. I count dozens of them crammed in here. Three-wheeler RVs are really impressive these days. General Manager Luo's will end up like this too, right? That's awesome. Looks just the same as others. It looks great as it is. Right, it looks perfect. Over here is the inverter. This side is all kinds of electrical distribution boxes, and that's the air conditioner. There's even a spot for mounting a spare tire here. This is just incredible, really impressive. Spare tire rack installed on a three-wheeler RV. This is who buys three-wheeler RV. We waited here in Gillen for so long just to get all this work done. We still have a few small jobs to do over there in a couple of days. Right, the washing machine and running the water lines. This spare tire rack is designed like this. You put a spare tire right here. And over here, oh, you've paneled this area over. This is made wider than yours to fit an electric bike. This spot is for holding an electric bike. Let me show you guys what we do every day at the camp. This RV hasn't been seen in 2 days, and it's almost finished. Wow. This is a three-wheeler RV that you can even shower in. This right below is the dehydration pan. The flooring is all laid down, and the air conditioner is already installed. The wiring on this RV is really well done. The interior is so spacious and uncluttered. There's nothing under the bed at all. And all the wiring for this RV is right here. Let me show you guys. Looks nice, right? Solar controller. Check out the air switch. Just look how neatly these wires are routed. There's even a ventilation fan for heat dissipation here. Up here is the remote control switch for the light strip, the remote switch. These two are 72V to 12V power supplies for the lights. All the various circuit breakers inside this whole vehicle. Look, here's the main line, and 2 more plugged in over here. This goes through and is also for circulating heat dissipation. Let's see what's over here. Take another look. Open it up. Wow, such a big compartment just for one inverter. That's good. Bigger is better, better for heat dissipation. Over here, there's a heat sink cover. Facing down, perfect. Close it and see. Yeah, because they installed a power distribution box here in this vehicle. So the window got compressed a bit. It's small, but it's much better than having none. The AC is also installed. This is good. This compartment is big. In a couple of days, we'll see. Put the bed in. Almost done. Just finishing touches.
Today's a big deal. Today, the custom 50 kilowatt hours big lithium battery arrived. Let's see how it goes in a bit.
Unloaded 2 huge lumps.
100 kilowatt hours of power. This company is impressive. Batteries are unloaded too. Get in the car and have some tea. Nothing left to do now, just waiting for the base money. You go up first. Hey, you, there's no space here. How do we have tea?
Wait, I'll transform it for you. My bed can be retracted.
Watch me transform the bed.
Looks a bit complicated, but it's actually not. This is a bit tight. Look at my table. I feel like it shouldn't take a minute. Sit here. You can sit here. You can sit here too.
No, it's just my slippers.
Come up in your slippers.
Are my feet dirty?
It's fine. I'll go make some tea. Clink the teacups.
So awesome.
So awesome.
Quench the thirst.
Wow, so hot. Ah, perfect.
Yours is nice too. Look, the space here is also okay. How come there are 2 computers here?
Well, this one's been used for 2 or 3 years. I think it's too small. What's up with that? Because of that, I searched all night last night. I want to sell this small one. Recently discovered a magical app, the new version of Xinyu. The new Xinyu Just take a photo and you can make money. Let's take a photo and see how much it's worth. I casually posted a photo of my speaker and made some money. Look, I just posted a few minutes ago and already got inquiries. Shinyu is really amazing.
The big yellow van is more comfortable, right? Oops, drinking tea in this one gets a bit hot. Hot, look, you're sweating.
Hot, I'll turn the AC for you.
Turn on easy? Oh,
This AC is great. A home AC unit. Inverter type. We should get one like this later. We have more than enough power. Of course. 1,500 watt solar, 50 kilowatt hour battery. Generates 8 kilowatt hours a day, 50 kilowatt hours in storage. How could you ever use it all up? It's cloudy today, might rain. Today, we'll have to use the stored power.
perfect, no problem. The AC is energy efficient.
Your new van, when it's done, will be this big too.
Life will be good after that.
Ah. Nothing to do, just play on the computer, drink some tea alone in the van. Actually, I love it most when it's raining outside. That's the feeling. Rain pattering outside. Some people always ask, can you sleep with the rain? Actually, I find it very soothing. I love falling asleep to the sound of rain.
Rain's frequency is naturally healing.
But noise. I don't like noise. I don't like it. Heavy rain. It's pouring. It's been raining a lot in Guilin, Guangxi this month. Check out the Tri-Camper, painted versus unpainted. This one just finished painting. Let me show you the stainless steel paint job. Painting stainless steel takes several days. Unpainted looks like this. Let's compare now. Unpainted like this. This one is painted. First sanding, then epoxy primer. After epoxy primer, sand again, then spray paint. After painting, finally a clear coat. 3 coats total. Beautiful. Excellent, excellent. Of course, every corner, every bar has to be painted. MHM. All painted, all painted, all painted. Nice, nice. 3 painted ones in the camp now. This one, this one, this one. 3 painted ones. So cold this weather. Gets so cold when it rains, guys. Hello, please come in. Bought a new mat. Fits here perfectly. Originally wanted a 27-inch, but later considered it wouldn't fit here. Looks like this one is the right size. This old one has nowhere to go. Maybe I should just sell it. The new version of Shinyu lately is pretty amazing. Take a photo and earn money. I just casually take a photo of the Bluetooth speaker, right? Look, just a few minutes after I posted, someone is already inquiring. Rainy days are still comfortable in a 3-wheeled RV. During the day, drink tea with friends here, wash the table. Now, turn it into a bed to sleep. This computer is really in the way. The car is too small. So comfortable. At night, I can sleep listening to the rain again. So healing. Open it up, open it up. Did you do the soft upholstery?
Just this one.
Let me take a look. Maybach, the interior. Is this still a 3-wheeler? Is this still a 3-wheeler? Wow, does it have lights? Does it have lights? Turn them on. Let's tour your luxury car. Wow,
This luxury car. This.
so spacious. The soft upholstery is really well done.
Not bad, not bad. Hey, you gotta admit.
That is just 3 wheels. Look at this luxury car. Just 3 wheels.
Doesn't quite feel like it. So wide and big.
This car is too awesome. So luxurious. So luxurious. Come on, who 81? Let me see this. So good. It's fully upholstered inside. Where? It's upholstered.
It's upholstered.
This side is upholstered, right? Beautiful. You get what you pay for. So spacious. It's huge. This car of his is really big. This is Brother Mo. This is Brother Mo. Brother Mo's latest creation. Look, it's painted. So beautiful. So beautiful.
The underside is amazing.
What's done to the underside?
Car level suspension. Car level suspension.
Installed suspension.
2 dampers on each side. 4 shock absorbers.
Right, 2 on each side? Yes, for total 2 sides.
Right. Wow. He's the first to install 4 dampers.
This is too impressive. Ha ha hey. Look at these people. Late at night, one by one. Look, look, look. Ha ha ha, all coming down. They were already in the car. Let's see this, let's see. Tour you nice. Still watching the game. Oh wow, turn on the lights. Oh wow, that tablet is on. Oh, you're in the car. There's a laptop too, right? There's a computer here, oh.
Dual screens, dual screens.
Editing videos. So impressive, everyone nowadays. Nowadays, tricycles are something else. Now, tricycles are incredible. Is it because after adding damping, it's not as shaky?
Not shaky at all. Not shaky at all now. Not at all.
Less shaky, huh?
Not as wobbly. It used to shake a lot without it. My fingers would shake.
Ha! Shaking is no good. The soft packaging on this is really good. Wow. This car, late at night, also tinkering with this car. Also tinkering with this car. Now it's become a work vehicle, guys, look. Oh wow, full of materials. Full of materials. This car belongs to our electrician's car.